And it smells really good.
Hey, this is Diane from Vermont Lavender, and these are the new soaps. And this is an almond biscotti. They turned out really nice, and that's the size. It has a little bit of brown on the back, and that's because of the vanilla that is in the fragrance oil. So they're very nice, and they're almost done being cured. I have some round ones right here, and I'll give you a little bit of the size of it. So that one's a little smaller, and then I have a bigger size like that. So flowers, and then I have a smaller one. This is like the Christmas card one. So that's the size right here. Let me just put it right on top. So it's pretty much about the same size, and you can see the thickness. It's a little bit thicker, so not too bad. All right.
And it does smell really good, but it's just, I'm just looking at myself. Oh, it's so much fun doing these videos. So anyways, I just wanted to show you that I needed to add maybe a little bit more titanium dioxide to it because it definitely darkened up, and it's still really nice though. Still a beautiful cookie soap. So thank you for watching and have a great day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.